Welcome to Investor Web, your go-to channel for insights into profitable ventures. Today we delve into the world of ebooks. As the digital age advances, the way we consume information is rapidly evolving. Traditional books are giving way to their digital counterparts, opening a vast arena for business opportunities. The ebook business involves creating, publishing, and selling digital books, a venture that has proven to be quite profitable in recent years. This is largely due to the increasing popularity of ebooks, the relatively low production costs, and the immense global reach that the digital platform offers. However, like any other business, it requires careful planning, strategic decision-making, and a keen understanding of the market. But don't worry, because we're here to guide you through this exciting journey. Stay tuned as we break down the process of creating a profitable ebook business into clear, manageable steps. The first step in creating a profitable ebook business is identifying your niche. The significance of this step cannot be overstated. It's the foundation of your ebook business, and it shapes every subsequent decision you make. Your niche will determine the content of your ebooks, the target audience, and even the marketing strategies you'll employ. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly does one identify a niche? Well, it's a delicate balance of two factors: profitability and personal interest. Let's break that down, shall we? Firstly, you need to find a niche that you are passionate about. This enthusiasm will fuel your journey, making the content creation process more enjoyable and less of a chore. It will also shine through in your work, making your ebooks more engaging and authentic to your readers. On the flip side, passion alone won't pay the bills. This is where the second factor, profitability, comes in. To ensure your ebook business is viable, you need to find a niche with a substantial audience willing to pay for your content. This is where market research becomes your best friend. Market research helps you understand the demand for different niches. It can be as simple as using online tools to track trending topics, or as in-depth as conducting surveys to gauge interest in certain subjects. The aim here is to identify niches that are in high demand but have relatively low competition. That said, it's important to remember that the perfect niche doesn't exist. It's about finding a balance between your interests and the market's demands. So don't be discouraged if you don't find the perfect niche straight away. Be patient, keep exploring, and remember that it's okay to pivot if a niche doesn't work out. In conclusion, identifying your niche is a crucial first step in creating a profitable ebook business. It requires a careful balance of personal passion and market profitability, guided by in-depth market research. With a clear niche in mind, you can now focus on creating content that will resonate with your target audience. Step 2 involves creating the content for your ebook. Now, this is the part where your passion and expertise truly come into play. It's where you pour your heart and soul onto the pages. It's where you give your readers value, knowledge, and insight they can't find elsewhere. Creating high-quality, original content is the backbone of your ebook business. It's what separates the profitable from the forgettable. Your content has to be engaging, informative, and valuable. It has to be something your readers can't put down, something they'd recommend to others. But how do you create such content? First, you need to thoroughly research your topic. Dive into every nook and cranny of your chosen niche. Become the expert you're positioning yourself to be. Understand the pain points of your target audience and how your ebook can solve their problems. Next, you need to write in a way that's engaging and easy to understand. You're not writing a scientific paper here. You're writing for real people. Use a conversational tone. Make your content relatable. Use stories, anecdotes, and real-life examples. Keep your sentences short and your paragraphs shorter. And remember, it's not just about what you say, but also how you say it. Your choice of words, your sentence structure, your flow, all these play a crucial role in making your content engaging. However, writing is just half the battle. Once you've put your thoughts down, it's time to polish them. This is where editing and proofreading come in. Editing isn't just about checking for grammatical errors or typos. It's about making sure your content flows smoothly. It's about ensuring your message is clear and your points are well articulated. Proofreading, on the other hand, is your final quality check. It's your last opportunity to catch any mistakes before your ebook goes live. Remember, your ebook is a reflection of you. It's your brand, your reputation on the line. So make sure it's the best it can be. A well-written, informative ebook is your ticket to attracting and retaining customers. Once you have your content, the next step is designing and formatting your ebook. This stage is just as crucial as the creation of your content, if not more. The design of your ebook is the first thing that potential readers will see, and it's what will make them decide whether or not to give your work a chance. Think about it. When you're browsing through a bookstore, aren't you immediately drawn to books with attractive, professionally designed covers? The same principle applies to ebooks. Your cover design should be eye-catching, relevant to your content, and, most importantly, it should communicate the quality of your work. A professional-looking cover can significantly boost your ebook's appeal and make it stand out from the sea of other ebooks available online. But an attractive cover isn't everything. You also need to pay attention to the formatting of your ebook. Proper formatting is crucial for readability and overall aesthetic appeal. It's about making your ebook as user-friendly as possible. Remember, your readers will be viewing your book on various devices, so your formatting needs to be adaptable and compatible with different screen sizes. Consider aspects like the font size and type, paragraph spacing, and the organization of your content. Avoid clutter and aim for a clean, organized look. Make sure your headings and subheadings are distinct and your paragraphs are not too long. Break up your text with images or charts, if applicable, but remember to keep everything balanced and coherent. A well-structured, well-formatted ebook can significantly enhance the reader's experience. It's not just about delivering valuable content, it's also about presenting it in a way that's pleasing to the eye and easy to navigate. Keep in mind that there are professionals who specialize in ebook design and formatting, so if you're feeling overwhelmed, don't hesitate to seek help. Investing in a professional design might cost a bit more upfront, but it can pay off in the long run by attracting more readers and making your ebook look more credible and professional. The final steps involve publishing and marketing your ebook. Now that your ebook is written, designed, and formatted, it's time to release it into the world. But where to start? There are numerous platforms available for publishing ebooks. Some of the most popular include Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Barnes & Noble Press, and Apple's iBooks Author. These platforms make it easy to upload your ebook and reach millions of readers worldwide. Remember, different platforms cater to different readerships, so consider your target audience when deciding where to publish. Once your ebook is published, it's time to market it. Marketing is crucial in reaching your target audience and driving sales. Start by identifying who your target audience is. Are they young adults interested in science fiction, or perhaps they're professionals looking for self-help books? Knowing your audience will help you tailor your marketing strategy to their interests and habits. Next, consider how you'll reach your audience. Social media is a powerful tool for promoting your ebook. You can create engaging content related to your book's theme, start conversations, and build a community of interested readers. Email marketing is also effective. By offering a free chapter or a discount code to subscribers, you can entice people to buy your book. Don't forget the power of reviews and social proof. Encourage readers to leave reviews on your ebook's product page. Positive reviews can boost your book's credibility and persuade potential buyers. You can also reach out to influencers or bloggers in your book's genre, offering them a free copy in exchange for a review or mention. Remember, marketing is a continuous process. Keep engaging with your audience, responding to reviews, and promoting your book. Try different strategies and see what works best for your ebook. With a good marketing strategy, your ebook can reach the right audience and generate the desired profits. So there you have it, the steps to creating a profitable ebook business. We've journeyed together through identifying your unique niche where your passion meets the market demand. We've delved into the process of creating compelling content that resonates with your target audience, ensuring that your ebook is not just another file on their device, but a source of valuable knowledge. We've explored the world of designing and formatting your ebook, making it appealing and easy to navigate for your readers. And of course, we've discussed the essential steps in publishing and marketing your ebook, ensuring it reaches the right hands and stands out in an increasingly competitive market. Remember, the journey to creating a profitable ebook business may be challenging, but with dedication, creativity, and the right strategies, it can be an incredibly rewarding venture. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to InvestorWeb for more insights into profitable ventures. Until next time, happy investing